Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily integrate HubSpot with Facebook ads. So all you have to do is first start by logging in to your HubSpot account, and from the main dashboard, just click on the marketing tab in the top navigation, then choose ads. Then next is just click on connect account, then choose Facebook. And from there, just log in to your Facebook Business Manager and select the ad accounts you want to sync with HubSpot. When prompted, allow HubSpot to access ad performance, campaign data, and lead form details. Then, once connected, you should now be able to see all your Facebook campaigns, including impressions, clicks, leads. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!